Hello and welcome to the Pilates Movement Refinery. For today's Express Pilates class, I will be guiding you through a few quick exercises you can do whether you work at a desk or whether you find yourself sitting often. For this class, you will not need any props besides a small chair or bench like so. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So let's begin in the seated position. You can come to the end part of your chair or bench. Go ahead and relax the hands to the top of the thighs, sitting tall on your sitting bones. From here, I want you to take a nice large inhale through the nose as you glide the head and neck towards one side of the room, enough so you feel a deep stretch down the front of the neck. And take a nice exhale through the mouth as you return the head and neck back to center. Inhaling as you turn your head and neck the opposite direction. And exhale, return the head back to center. One more time in both directions, inhaling to turn the head and neck. Exhale, return to center. Same thing, other side. Inhale until you feel a nice deep stretch down the front of the neck. And exhale back to center. From here, let's go ahead and tuck the chin to the chest. Scraping your collarbone, you're going to glide your chin towards one of your shoulders. Nice and slow, you're going to bring your ear to your shoulder, bringing the head and neck back into extension, rolling to the other ear to shoulder. Bring your chin to shoulder, scraping your chin towards your collarbone across to the midline and pause. Inhale through the nose. Exhale as you scrape your collarbone back in that same direction you came. Bring your ear to shoulder. Without overarching your spine, you're going to bring your head and neck back into extension. Ear to shoulder, chin to shoulder. Scrape your chin to your collarbone back to center. Nice work. Go ahead and do a few shoulder rolls here. Relax the hands at the sides. For 3, 2, 1. From here, let's go ahead and rotate our scapula, so that little triangle bone that sits on the back of the rib cage. I'm going to turn to the side for demonstration purposes. As you sit tall on your chair, I want you to make a fist with your left hand. Hold onto your rib cage with your right hand. From here, we're going to inhale through the nose as you press the hand forward, so out and away. Bring your shoulder up towards your ear. Set your scapula back down in its pocket. Again, we protract the hand forward. Try to kiss your shoulder to your ear. Retract the scapula back, and as you do that, really pinch or kiss your shoulder blade towards the midline. Bring it down. We go forward, up, retract back, depress down. One more time. Forward, up, back, down. We reverse, so we come forward, retract back, bring your shoulder up to your ear, and we come forward, down, back, up. One more time. Forward, down, back, up. Relax the hand down. Great job, guys. I'm going to spin around and we're going to do that same thing with the other side. Wrap the hand on the rib cage, making a fist with your right fist. Go ahead and inhale to bring the hand forward. Kiss your shoulder to your ear. Retract back. Depress the scapula down. We come forward, up, back. Really squeeze in the middle of the back there as you bring that scapula to the middle and the back. Beautiful. And then we're going to bring the hand forward. Keeping the elbow straight, we're going to retract back. Glide the shoulder up to the ear. Forward, down, back, up, forward, down, back, up. Last time. Forward, down, squeeze, back, up, lower, down. Great work. From here, I'm going to have you go ahead and bring the hands to the front, make a stop sign, fingertips extended towards the ceiling. Go ahead and really press those hands out and away, lengthen through the fingertips. Take a nice inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth without rounding or cupping the hands. You're going to point the fingers now down towards the ground. Just feel a nice stretch through the top of the forearm here. Inhale, point the fingers up towards the ceiling. Really press the hands out and away. Just feel a nice stretch again through the top of the forearm. Squeeze the fingertips together and point the fingertips now towards the ground, sitting tall on your sitting bones. From here, you're going to go ahead and make a little fist, doing some wrist circles. So we come in towards each other, up, out to the side, down, and repeat. One more time. Nice work. Relax the hand down. From here, I want you to go ahead and sit nice and tall. Follow the hands behind the head with the fingers interlaced and the thumbs at the jawline. Elbows in your peripheral vision. Inhale through the nose. As you exhale through the mouth, you're going to rotate from your torso to the side and you're going to pulse 2 times. So we go inhale to sit tall, exhale, exhale, finding that nice deep rotation through the middle of the spine. The first rotation is shallow, the second is deeper. Inhale, sit tall, exhale, exhale. Keep the head pressing back into the hands, strengthening your thoracic spinal rotators, which are located in the middle of your spine, allowing you to rotate from right to left. One more time in both directions. See if you can come a little farther each time. Nice work. Bring the hands down. Place your right palm to the chair. Flip your left palm out and away. Ground both feet down. Inhale through the nose. You're going to side bend up and over for a lateral flexion of the spine. Glue both of your sitting bones down. Exhale, float the palm down. Switch sides. Your right palm flips out and away. Inhale, side bend, up and over. Enjoying a nice deep stretch from the top of the hip bone through the side, stretching your obliques, your intercostal rib muscles. Everything's attached, my friends. Same thing. As you do this, the hip bone that is farther away, so that would be my left, you really want to try to glue that, anchor it down into your small bench or chair. Last time, inhale through the nose. Reach and lengthen through the fingertips as you side bend. And exhale, sit tall. Great work. From here, go ahead and cross one of your heels over the opposite thigh. Come to the edge of our small bench. Sitting tall, bring those shoulders up, down, and back. You can place one of your palms against the knee if you prefer an even deeper stretch here. This stretch is really great, again, if you find yourself sitting a lot, maybe you work at a desk, feel some tightness in the hips, stretching out this piriformis hip muscle. This is really great for that one. Keep inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Go ahead and uncross your heel. Opposite leg comes up. Let that knee bow out to the side. Again, you can place your palm on the outside of the knee for an even deeper stretch. Allowing things to calm down and relax again in those hips, especially if you feel some tightness or tension in there. Take a nice inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Uncross the legs. From here, again, as we lengthen and stretch the muscles in the hips, we also want to strengthen. So go ahead and press those palms into your small bench or chair. Ground your left foot down. Inhale as you point your right toes. We're going to bring the knee up to the chest and tap the ground. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Strengthening the muscles at the front of the hips. So these are your hip flexors. Again, sitting nice and tall on your sitting bones. The spine isn't rounding forward. Finding a point in the room to focus on to help with balance and stability. Okay, even in this seated position can be nice for that mind-body connection. One more time. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Beautiful. Go ahead and relax the hips. Inhale to prepare, sit tall, other side. Exhale, draw the knee up and tap the toes down. Exhale to lift with control. Inhale to lower with control. There are 10 principles of Pilates, and all of those can help provide a really well-balanced, well-rounded workout. A few of those are balance, breath, control, precision, and flow. Keeping those in mind, again, can really help enlighten your workout session. Give me 2 more. Last one. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Beautiful. From here, let's go ahead and sit back a little bit. We're going to go ahead and press your hands into the front of your small bench or chair. We're going to work on rounding and extending the spine. From here, we're going to inhale through the nose. As you exhale through the mouth, you're really going to sink back into your chair. Scoop up with the abdominals, draw your belly button to your spine, press both feet down into the ground. And then exhale, you're going to slowly stack your spine one vertebra at a time. You have a small arch in your spine. Heart shines forward, gaze is out and away. Inhale at the top of the move. And exhale, start at your hips. So really roll through the hips. Draw that belly button to the spine. Scoop up with the abdominals. Think of moving one vertebra at a time. One more time, nice and slow. We're going to tip the pelvis forward. Okay, rolling through the middle of your spine. Heart shines forward. Lengthen through the collarbone. And from here, go ahead and bring your hips back to neutral position. Nice work. Let's go ahead and rotate the ankles. So bring the thigh up towards the chest. From here, you're going to go ahead and bring the toes in a nice deep circle. Okay. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Nice steady movements, again at a pace that feels comfortable to you today. Reverse, opposite direction. Go ahead and inhale to point the toes, exhale to flex the foot. Elbows are wide. Again, we're sitting tall. This is all about invigorating the muscles, waking them up, okay? Especially if we've been sitting for a few hours. Even an hour is enough. Sometimes it's nice to just get a little bit of strength and stretch in there, helping with our mental health as well. Beautiful. Bring the foot back down. Holding on to the opposite thigh, elbows are wide, sitting tall, moving right into those ankle circles. Keeping the tibia nice and still. Really focusing on making each move intentional. Pilates is such a mindful way of movement. And then from here we go inhale to point, exhale to flex the foot. Inhale to point the toes, exhale to flex. Two more. And bring the foot back down. Nice work. Great job today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye.